Welcome to Affordable Classic Cars. In today's episode, we are thrilled to present 20 classic car gems that offer incredible potential for classic car enthusiasts and restoration aficionados. From legendary muscle cars to luxurious sedans, each vehicle we showcase has its own unique story and appeal. Let's embark on a journey through the world of classic cars, filled with nostalgia and beauty. Number 1. Introducing the 1968 Pontiac Firebird, a legendary muscle car that captures the spirit of American performance and design. Under the hood, this classic coupe houses a 400 Ci engine that has been bored, 0-30 over, offering enhanced power and performance. The engine is equipped with premium upgrades, including a Lunati cam, Trans Am heads for improved airflow, and double-valve springs. Paired with a turbo 400 transmission, featuring a Stage 2 shift kit and a 336 rear end, this Firebird is built for those who love thrilling acceleration and driving dynamics. Additional highlights include Hedman headers and a Flowmaster exhaust system, delivering a distinctive and powerful sound. While the vehicle requires quarters, paintwork, a wiring harness and interior restoration, it comes with original seats ready for reupholstery. Recent upgrades, such as a new radiator, starter, battery and brake cylinder, ensure the foundational mechanics are in excellent condition. Priced at $9,500, with the location unknown, this Firebird represents a rewarding restoration project with incredible potential. Follow the link provided to learn more about this exciting opportunity. Number 2. Next up is the 1973 Ford Maverick, a compact sedan with a retro charm that remains in like-new condition. With only 76,000 original miles, this vehicle is powered by a reliable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth performance and practicality. Inside, the well-preserved interior is rated an impressive 9.5 out of 10. Showcasing the care this Maverick has received over the years. The exterior paint remains in great shape, complementing its overall appeal. With a clean title and a current registration valid through December 2024, this Maverick is road-ready and free from smog test requirements. Priced at $4,800, with the location unknown, this Ford Maverick is perfect for anyone seeking a classic daily driver or an addition to their collection. For more details, follow the provided link. Number 3. Here is the 1965 Plymouth Valiant convertible, a delightful classic that embodies the carefree spirit of open-top motoring. Finished in vibrant red, this Valiant 200 convertible is powered by a 273 Ci V8 engine paired with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, a comprehensive brake system overhaul, and fresh fuel, ensuring smooth performance. The two-tone red interior adds a touch of elegance, while features like power steering, an aftermarket stereo, and a musical horn enhance the driving experience. Although the convertible top and tires show signs of age, this car is fully roadworthy and ready for adventures. Priced at $6,850 and located in Bloomington, Minnesota, this classic convertible offers an excellent starting point for restoration or leisurely cruising. Visit the link for additional details and photos. Introducing the 1950 Ford Deluxe, a timeless four-door sedan that stands as a testament to Ford's post-war design excellence. Powered by a flathead motor and a manual transmission, this vehicle is in fantastic running condition. The body is remarkably rust-free, and the well-maintained interior reflects the care it has received over the years. Owned by the same individual for an extended period, this Ford Deluxe has been lovingly preserved and is ready to hit the road. Priced at $7,500 and located in Pahrump, Nevada, this classic represents a unique opportunity to own a beautifully preserved piece of automotive history. Follow the link provided for more details. Number 5. Presenting the 1965 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, a luxurious full-size sedan that epitomizes Cadillac's commitment to quality and elegance. This vehicle retains its original paint and engine, with only 33,000 miles on the odometer, offering incredible potential as a restoration project. Recent work includes new brakes and a comprehensive tune-up, ensuring it runs and drives smoothly. The classic green paint complements its stately design, making it an attractive choice for collectors or enthusiasts. Priced at $5,950 and located in West Irondequoit, New York, this Sedan DeVille offers a solid foundation for bringing a Cadillac classic back to its former glory. Follow the link provided for additional information. Number 6. Here is the 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis, a classic luxury coupe with enduring appeal.
Powered by a 6.6L 400-volt-8 engine, this vehicle retains its all-original interior.
Complete with operational power windows and locks. The factory radio adds a nostalgic touch to the driving experience. With service history records available, this Grand Marquis is an ideal project car for restoration enthusiasts. Priced at $2,950 and located in San Diego, California, it offers an affordable entry into the world of classic luxury vehicles. For further details, follow the provided link. Number 7. Introducing the 1977 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC, a luxury coupe that exemplifies the elegance and engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz. Powered by a 4.5L M117 V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, this classic coupe offers a smooth and refined driving experience. Finished in astral silver with a black leather interior, it features a sunroof, air conditioning, and a well-documented maintenance history. Recent updates include brake servicing, a new water pump, and timing chain replacement, ensuring reliability for its next owner. While the paint shows some fading, this 450 SLC is mechanically sound and ready to hit the road. Priced at $8,500 and located in Cambria, California. This luxury classic is a standout choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Visit the link for further details and photos. Number 8. Next up is the 1962 Oldsmobile 98 Skyrocket, a full-size sedan with a commanding presence and powerful performance. Under the hood, it boasts a 394 CI V8 engine generating 330 horsepower paired with a hydromatic transmission. Equipped with factory air conditioning, this car offers comfort and sophistication. Although this is a running project car, the body remains solid, with only minor rust and cosmetic wear. It includes a clean Florida title, making it a great candidate for restoration. Priced at $4,500 and located in Tampa, Florida,
this Skyrocket combines style and performance for a truly rewarding project.
For more details, follow the provided link. Number 9. Presenting the 1960 Ford F100 short bed, a custom cab pickup that blends utility with classic charm. Powered by a 460 CI-V8 engine and a C6 automatic transmission, this truck offers robust performance. The addition of four-wheel disc brakes and dual exhaust enhances its driving capabilities. While the body requires attention, including roof repairs, the frame is solid and the mechanicals are strong, making this pickup an excellent candidate for restoration. Priced at $4,750 and located in Tampa, Florida, this F100 is a drivable project with plenty of potential. Visit the provided link for additional details. Number 10. Introducing the 1977 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, a luxurious coupe that represents the pinnacle of American automotive design in its era. Featuring a pristine white exterior with a vinyl top, this Eldorado exudes sophistication. It is powered by a robust 8-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. With only 77,629 miles on the odometer, this car is in excellent condition. Recent updates include new tires, a refreshed exhaust system, and a carburetor rebuild, ensuring reliability. Free from rust and with a clean title, this Eldorado is ready to impress its next owner. Priced at $6,900 and located in Carson City, Nevada, this classic Cadillac is a remarkable find for collectors and enthusiasts. Don't miss the opportunity to own this piece of American luxury. Number 11. Introducing the 1969 Chevrolet Nova, a classic four-door sedan that carries the spirit of a bygone era. Powered by a reliable 307 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Nova showcases a clean and elegant white exterior. With just 88,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in good condition, complemented by its pristine interior, chrome accents and glasswork. While some mechanical work is required, specifically addressing the fuel line and cooling system, the sale includes essential parts like a new water pump, thermostat, and gas tank, ensuring a promising start for restoration. Priced at $4,200 and located in Belton, Texas, this Nova is an ideal project for enthusiasts eager to revive its vintage charm. Follow the link provided for more details and to uncover its potential. Number 12. Next up is the 1974 Dodge Dart SE, a special edition sedan that offers a harmonious blend of style and practicality. Under the hood lies a dependable V8 318 engine mated to an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable drive. Inside, the bucket seats add a touch of sporty elegance, while modern updates, such as a new windshield, shocks, and a functional air conditioning system enhance comfort and reliability. With a clean title and its original character intact, this Dart SE is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a classic car with enduring appeal. Priced at $3,900 and located in Maple Falls, Washington, this timeless Dodge is ready for its next chapter. For more insights into this vintage gem, follow the link provided. Number 13. Step into history with the 1947 Chrysler New Yorker, a pre-war classic brimming with restoration potential. Featuring a unique green patina, this project car is accompanied by numerous spare parts, including 2 complete interior sets and extra doors, offering versatility for customization. Although the original engine is seized, a fresh replacement engine is included, providing a clear path to bringing this car back to life. Out of the California DMV system and sold with a bill of sale, this New Yorker represents a rare and exciting opportunity for collectors. Priced at $2,500 and located in Cambria, California, this vintage Chrysler is waiting for its next steward. Follow the link provided for more details. Number. Presenting the 1962 Rambler Classic, a charming piece of automotive history that showcases the craftsmanship of its era. This vehicle features a reliable 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and a 3-speed overdrive, offering both simplicity and practicality. Inside, the newly reupholstered seats and fresh carpeting ensure comfort and a clean aesthetic, while the gas tank has been flushed for improved performance. Although it runs and drives, the motor smokes heavily and will require a rebuild to reach optimal functionality. With a clean California title and current registration, this Rambler is an excellent project for enthusiasts ready to bring it back to its former glory. Priced at $3,200 with the location unknown, this vintage beauty is a wonderful find. Follow the link provided for additional details. Number 15. Introducing the 1975 Buick Regal, a well-preserved sedan that has been patiently waiting for its return to the road. Despite sitting since 1998 due to a timing chain issue, this car boasts a solid body with clean door and sail panels, showing minimal wear. While the seats show signs of age, the 4 new tires offer a strong starting point for restoration. With a clean title and priced at $1,300, with the location unknown, this Regal offers an affordable entry into the world of classic car restoration. For more details and insights, follow the link provided to explore its potential. Number 16, next up, is the 1970 Chevrolet Nova Gasser, a striking 2-door hardtop that exudes power and personality. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, this car is dressed in an eye-catching red and black exterior, making it a head-turner at any car event. With just 5,000 miles, this Nova is in excellent condition, offering plenty of life for cruising or showcasing. Priced at $10,000 with the location unknown, this classic Nova is a rare gem for collectors or enthusiasts. For more information, follow the link provided to learn more about this impressive muscle car. Number 17. Meet the 1966 Chrysler Newport, a vintage lowrider with timeless appeal. Featuring a 318 automatic engine, electronic ignition, and an electric fuel pump, this Newport blends performance with style. The tinted windows and rear air shocks add a custom touch, while its 97,655 miles reflect a lifetime of careful use. Located in Elmer, Iowa, and priced at $6,500, this well-maintained classic is ready to be enjoyed or further customized. Follow the link provided to explore its potential and history. Number 18, introducing the 1979 Lincoln Continental, a luxury classic with just 55,828 original miles, lovingly cared for by its sole owner. This Florida car boasts a clean, rust-free body, excellent tires, and an immaculate interior that feels like stepping back in time. Running and driving as if new, this Continental is a rare find for collectors of well-preserved vehicles. Priced at $6,500 and located in Port Charlotte, Florida, this Lincoln offers elegance and sophistication for discerning buyers. Follow the link provided for more details about this extraordinary vehicle. Number 19. Next is the 1962 Dodge D100, a short bed step-side pickup that presents an exciting opportunity for hot rod enthusiasts. This truck features a custom RV 440 engine, automatic transmission, and additional performance parts like headers and an Edelbrock intake manifold. Although restoration is needed, its solid foundation and clean Idaho title make it an appealing project for those with a vision. Priced at $2,000 and located in Sagal, Idaho, this Dodge D100 is ready to be transformed. Follow the link provided for more details and inspiration for your next project. Number 20, finally, we have the 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta, a well-maintained coupe that embodies the elegance of its era. Featuring a 350 engine and automatic transmission, this Camaro has been cherished by the same family for years. While the brakes require attention, the car runs and drives well, maintaining its original components and charm. However, we urge you to exercise caution with this listing. Based on available information, there are signs that this offer might not be entirely genuine, and we cannot fully verify its authenticity. We advise interested parties to approach this listing with care, conduct thorough due diligence, and verify all details with the seller before proceeding. Located in Los Angeles, California, and priced at $7,000, this Berlinetta could potentially be a fantastic candidate for restoration, but only if all claims prove accurate. Follow the link provided for further details and proceed responsibly. Thank you for joining us on Affordable Classic Cars. We hope you enjoyed our tour through 20 classic cars, each offering a variety of potential and uniqueness. If you're interested in any of the cars we featured, be sure to follow the provided links for more information. Remember to always do your due diligence and verify all details with the seller before making a decision. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our future content. Thanks, and enjoy the classic cars.